Good morning po sa lahat. I will discuss about calculus. So first is the derivatives of polynomials. First subject natin sa calculus. So derivatives means meron tayong okay, so we have polynomial terms of the form exb, where e is a constant coefficient and ang b is a constant exponent. So derivatives with respect to x. First, yung exponent natin, ilagay natin dito, multiply sa constant coefficient a. Tapos, yung x, ang b niya is minus 1. Okay? So, yan ang sa polynomials. So, mayroon din pag maka-example tayo ng x over n. So, if we solve in derivatives, lagay natin sa taas yung x, kahit na negative. Okay? Mayroon din square root of x. So, i-rewrite natin ng x to the 1/2. Pag mayroong examples na ganyan, square root or yung x natin is nandyan sa baba. So, ilagay natin sa taas. So, example number 1. Derivatives sa 5x cube. So, sa example, ang exponent na b is i-multiply natin dito sa constant coefficient. So, 3 times 5. Tapos yung x, 3 minus 1. Okay? So, answer is 15. Tapos x to the squared kasi minus 1 na siya. Okay? So, first example. So, example number 2. Derivative sa x of x to the exponent 5. So, sa sample natin, so wala siyang constant coefficient. So, 5x 5 minus 1. So, exponent natin ilagay natin dito. Tapos, minus 1. So, answer natin is 5x to the exponent 4. Okay? Example number 3. Derivatives sa 10t to the exponent of 1/3 with respect to t. So, solution. So, ang 1/3 is ilagay natin dito. 1/3 10t to the 1/3 minus 1. Okay? So, 1/3 times 10. So, 10 over 3. T to the 1/3 minus 1. That is negative 2 over 3. Okay? So, ang answer natin is 10 baba natin kasi negative 3t to the 2/3. Okay. Okay, example number 4. Derivatives of 5 over x with respect to x. No? So, ano yung kanina? Pag nasa baba yung x, ilagay natin sa taas. No? So, derivatives sa 5, tapos x to the negative 1. Okay? So, ang derivative yan, so negative 1 multiply sa 5. Ang x natin is minus 1 minus 1. Okay? So, negative 1 times 5, that is negative 5. X natin is negative 2. So, final answer. So, negative 5. Negative 5. So, bring down x kasi negative siya. Okay. So, example number 5. So, may square root na siya, no? So, is a square root, i-rewrite natin siya, no? So, dx 8x to the 1/2. Okay? So, pwede rin siya nga dito, derivative sa 8 to the 1/2 and x to the 1/2. Okay? So, ito ay constant coefficient. So, hindi siya ma-change, no? So, ito na yung sa x. So, the derivatives for that is 8 to the 1/2. So, ang x is multiply natin sa 1/2. Kasi dito na lang. Tapos x 1/2 minus 1. Okay? So, ang hanap natin, so ilagay natin dito. So, 8 and 1/2. Hindi pwede multiply kasi may exponent na 1/2 over 2. Kasi 1/2 siya. So, ang x dito is negative 1/2. Okay? So, dito tayo sa taas. So, pag 1/2 siya, lagay natin sa baba, no? So, 8 to 1/2 over 2 x to the 1/2. Okay? So, square root of 8 to square root of x kasi 1/2 kani square root siya. So, multiply natin siya ng kuan para mawala yung square root sa baba. So, pareho siya square root. So, square root of 8x over, so 1/2 that is 1. So, may 2x na lang. Okay. Okay, this example. So, since expression has two terms, no? 1 and 2. So, mayroon tayong sa derivatives, mayroon tayong d over derivative sa x with respect to y1 plus y2. So, distribute na natin. So, dy1 over dx plus dy2 over dx. Okay? So, distribute lang siya. No? So, for this example, so, derivatives dx 6 cube minus derivatives dx 12x. Okay? So, dito is multiply lang natin derivatives. So, multiply ang 3 to the 6x 3 minus 1. Minus, so 1 siya. So, 1 times 12, so 12. Then x to 1 minus 1. Okay? So, 3 times 6, that is 18. 18. X to the squared 3 minus 1 minus 12 to x to 0. Ano yung x to 0 na exponent? So 1 na siya. Okay? So ang answer natin is 18x squared minus 12. Okay. So, example number 8. So, 4 to the derivatives of 4x negative 3 with respect to x. So, anong gawin natin? So, negative 3 is multiply natin times 4 x to the minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so negative 3 times 4, that is negative 12. X to the negative 3 of negative 1, so negative 4. So bring down ang negative, so negative 12 x to the 4. Okay. So, example number 8. Derivatives of 10x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 4. So, same pa rin kanina. Distribute na natin. So, pwede natin diretso siya, no? So, ito muna. 10, 3. So, 3 times 10. X to the 3 minus 1. Next is minus 2. 2x 2 minus 1. Okay, minus, so 1 siya, so hindi na, so 5x 1 minus 1 and then 0 na. Okay, so derivative sa constant, that is 0, no? So, example D, derivatives sa example 4. So, wala siyang x or any variable number. So, 0 siya. Okay? So, yan is 0. So, 3 times 10, that is 30. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. X, 2 minus 1, so 1. And then, minus 5, x to the 0. Okay, so ito ay 1. So, ang final answer natin is 30x squared minus 4x minus 5. Kasi x to the 0 is 1. Okay. So, example number 9. So, dalawang term, no? So, pwede natin distribute. So, derivative sa 1 and then minus derivative sa x. Okay? So, sa 1, that is 0. So, negative derivative sa x. So, 1, understood na siya nga 1. So, minus, multiply sa 1. Ang x nimo is 1 minus 1. Okay? So, negative 1. X nimo is 0. So, 1 na siya. Yung answer nimo is negative 1. Okay? Okay, last example natin. So, pwede natin i-distribute. So, d to the derivative sa t, square root of t, minus derivative sa 1 over t. Okay? So, i-rewrite natin siya. T to the 1 half minus, ilagay natin sa taas, no? So, t to the negative 1. Okay? So, derivative sa 1, sa t to the 1 half. Lagay natin ang 1 half dito. So, 1 half minus 1. Okay? Minus t. That is negative 1 times negative 1. T, negative 1 minus 1. So, always 1 gina siya sa exponent. Okay? So, 1 half t, 1 half minus 1, that is negative 1 half. Negative times negative, that is positive. So, t, negative 2. Okay? So, negative. So, lagay natin sa baba. Square root of t. Okay? So, negative pa rin siya. So, 1 over t squared. So, simplify natin kasi may square root sa baba. So, 1 over 2 square root of t times square root of t plus 1 over t2. Okay? So, square root of t, multiply lang 2. So, 1 half square root times square root. So, naging t na lang. Plus 1 over t squared. Okay? So, thank you very much. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.